There's a romance about railroading, the history, the stories. It's just part of our culture. Rio Grande Pacific is a privately held railroad holding company headquartered in Fort Worth, Texas. Our short line railroads operate on 700 miles of rail in 6 states.
Rio Grande Pacific Corporation currently moves about 100 to 120,000 carloads a year. We support 475,000 riders. Success is measured in seconds. Whether it's freight or commuter, downtime is not an option. One of Rio Grande's newest business units is our technology group. We are developing products for commuter rails, for short-line railroads, and dispatch systems.
When we found Dell's EMC Unity, what we were trying to do is improve our speed. And with Dell EMC, the speed of our services increased tenfold.
By choosing the Unity platform, we solve several needs. One is performance. The second is scalability. The platform has allowed our mission-critical safety signal systems to run on a robust, redundant system.
Dell EMC Unity has surpassed my expectations. As opposed to 15,000 watts, we're running around 1,000 watts.
We literally went from having 28 physical servers and racks to 4 servers. Without the all-flash, we would spend hours provisioning a new server. Now it's a 2-minute process.
End of the month report. That report used to take 30 minutes. Now we can do that same report in 45 seconds.
We needed our technology infrastructure to match our company's aggressive growth. Dell EMC is helping us transform the shortline industry.
We're in a competitive business. Dell has been critical to advance our opportunities. The future of rail travel is tied to the future of technology. That's why we're with Dell EMC. Dell EMC keeps the trains running.